Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of one of the most powerful superfoods on the planet, spinach. In this video, we're going to talk about the power of spinach, how this superfood transforms your health. Spinach is a leafy green that's packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. It's an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, along with iron, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients not only strengthen your bones but also improve your immune system, keeping you healthier overall. One of the biggest benefits of spinach is its ability to boost heart health. Thanks to its high levels of nitrates, spinach helps lower blood pressure and improve circulation. It also reduces the risk of heart disease by keeping your arteries flexible and reducing inflammation. Spinach is also fantastic for improving digestion. Its high fiber content helps regulate your digestive system and prevent constipation. Plus, the antioxidants in spinach reduce inflammation in the gut, promoting better overall gut health. Additionally, spinach is a great weight loss aid. It's low in calories but high in fiber, which helps you feel full for longer. Including spinach in your meals can help curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. And let's not forget its ability to support eye health. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. So, if you want to improve your overall health, spinach is a must-have in your diet. Whether you add it to smoothies, salads, or stir-fries, this superfood can truly transform your well-being. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more health tips and superfood secrets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.